I was making my morning matcha and I received 2 packages, so I thought we should open it together. And both of them are from Sephora, from the Sephora Sale. So let's open these baby up. Okay, this I was so excited to get. This is the Chris Appleton Color Wow Money Mask for glossy, expensive looking hair. So let's do a sniff test to see if it smells good. I bet it's so good though. Oh, it smells like the Money Mist, which I love. So I'm a big fan of the smell of this one. It's the same thing. But yeah, I'm excited to try that along with my Money Mist. I already had like 2 or 3 bottles, but I just finished my last one, so I had to restock and I got a big one. Then I got myself the Coconut Skin by Fleur body, what is this called? Body fragrance mist. And this smells so good. It's like not too tropically coconut, it's more like subtle coconut milk, which you can wear all year round. Then I got this Day Fairy Duster dry shampoo in mini size for like the reward program with my points, and the Colorly Resveratrol Lift serum with the points also. Then I got the Refi Lash Sculpt Mascara, which that I was so excited about because of the wand. So special. So I'm gonna definitely try that today. It's nothing like I've seen before, and I feel like this is gonna get every single lash possible. Very excited to try that. This Pillow Talk Glossy Lip Kit. That looks so cute. And my boyfriend got me for birthday or our anniversary present. We don't know yet what was the reason, but he got me this, which is the Cuddly brightening routine, and I'm so excited to try it. It's the Vino Perfect serum. Then we have instant brightening moisturizer and brightening high cream. So I'm very excited to try that also. So yeah, that was all for my haul. Another package delivered today, so I'm definitely gonna do a haul of this one. Received the other package, so let's open it. I already kind of opened the box and peeked, but it's my Nespresso Christmas order. I always do like maybe 2 or 3 order of Nespresso per year. I love coffee, but I don't necessarily drink it on a daily basis. So yeah, I don't have to like buy new coffees every single month, but 2-3 times a year. Usually it's around like November, December for the holiday season and before summer, and maybe just do a little restock in between. But let's see what I got. So first off, I got the 3 holiday collection coffee. I got this one, which is festive collection double espresso. So excited for this one. I also love the design. Got this one, which is cinnamon and candied tamarind, which I'm so excited. Love this also. And last but not least, sweet almond and hibiscus. I feel like this is gonna be my favorite. I love anything hibiscus, it's my favorite flower, and I love anything almond or vanilla, so I feel like this is the perfect combination between hibiscus and almond. Then I got myself some pistachio vanilla pods, and my favorite one, the Arondio, which is my basic everyday pod that I use. Then I got a festive mug that is in the holiday calendar, but this year I felt like I did not want the holiday calendar, I just wanted the cup. So that's it, and I'm gonna drink my coffee in there. It's so cute. It's like in ceramic. It's looking very good and cute. And also I received a free gift with my order, which was this like straw kit. And I'm gonna wash that and maybe do a coffee this afternoon with one of the pods into my new cup.